Hello brothers, sisters. Yo, so I'm still in Togo, Yokoi, very few miles away from Lome, and I'm here to discover our local, organic, healthiest and delicious local food we have across Africa. So if you're an African, be proud that your food or your local food has no size in the world. Really delicious. This food is called kordoro, and it's one of the healthiest food I've seen here in Togo. It can manage or cure someone with high blood pressure. So if you know someone with that kind of disease or sickness, kindly recommend this recipe to him or her. They use fresh baobab tree leaves to prepare this food. So as I've been saying always, all those who eat fresh trees or fresh herbs like this are the strongest people we have in Africa. And also it's very easy to prepare. Within no time it will be ready and it can be served with rice or akpele, whatever you want, bankun, just name it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share as much as you can to promote our local food to us Africans and to the world. Let's do this, Kodo. So today's program is sponsored by TapTapSend. So TapTapSend is a money transfer app that allows Africans living in Europe and Canada or America to send money back home to loved ones in Africa. So not only Ghanaians can benefit from this app. If you're a Nigerian, if you're from Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Kenya, Uganda, Togo, Benin, this app is here for you. It's free and reliable. You don't pay anything, no commission, and the exchange rate is also high. As soon as you send a space of 20 seconds to 1 minute, your money should be in Africa. So use the promo code Sindaco, okay, and get yourself £5 or €5 or $10 in your first transaction when you send money back home to your loved ones. So just go to Apple Store or Google Play and download TapTapSend. It's very simple and easy. You only tap and you send, and your family back home will be happy receiving the money. Alright, Kodo. This is called what? Kodoro. It's also bitter?
No.
So then why you plug it from here?
This one is hard.
Ah, that's hard to boil. Oh, okay. Kodoro.
Yeah. They feed the baobab.
Ah, baobab tree leaves. Okay. So what you do soup or stew with it?
Soup.
So baobab leaves, soup. Kordoro. Wow. Okay, so this is our Henry over here, and we are taking out the skills from it. So it comes like this. Jado. It is Jado, right?
Yes.
Okay, Jado. I always call it Jado.
Jado.
Only our what's the name?
Kordoro.
Kordoro. Okay, so baobab tree leaves, and we also make soup with it. So the kordoro and pepper. We also add onions to it. So this is more like the Sindaco kind of version, yeah. In Senegal, that's how they do it. In Senegal, yeah, they pound everything like this. Yeah. So now that one is being added. Okay, pound. So that's been added to water. We add our quarter pounded baobab leaves and the garlic, the pepper, onion, and the dawa African locust beans. Yeah, we boil everything. But why did she add the soda before the soda powder?
Because it's like a banana.
So because of the leaves. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So a little bit of water is being added to it. So they say this food is good for pressure, medicine food. You eat to heal yourself. So we're adding in our dry smoked fish to the kordoro. A bit of salt to taste. So about stirring, you stir. Now we're adding onion to it. And the bakushito. So if you have blood pressure, if you have high pressure, this food is for you. Kordoro, Baobab leaves, 3 leaves. That's what you have to eat. Yeah, this is Togo Diaries. So basically, no, what do you call it? Seasoning being added, no oil, nothing. Just raw and straight. Yeah, green. So to taste. Amazing. Hey yo. Okay. It's done.
Now.
And so amazing food. Kordoro. Baobab 3 leaf soup. So this is kordoro soup and Baobab 3 leaves. Baobab 3 leaf soup, yeah. And when I'm trying it without anything, just like that. Okay. Oh, man, that's a nice flavor, no? And as they told me, this food is good for those who have high pressure. So if you have high pressure, this is the food that you have to eat. Baobab 3 leaves. Wow, done in a special, simple way, very easy. Wow, it's delicious. That's all. So the dawa was added to this. As you can see, the dawa. Yeah, this is the dawa, African local drink. Yeah, that's for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Baobab leaf soup from Togo Kodoro. Yeah. And man, easy recipe that I can prepare any time of the day. Just get yourself some fresh Baobab 3 leaves and man, enjoy yourself with some amazing herbal treatment or kodoro. So let's meet again for Shizzle and Nizzle. I'm out.
The mess rules. Some me this tika koma my dog for and I'm a bushna for our Ghana. They defer tap sing.
This is here because tap and the best so far.
I didn't see some yes, and this car coffee na a tap.
Tap saying will be around down the up now. Cannot master for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to tap.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about tap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured never had any
Tap sing and no one about phone in a yard. Tap sing. Papa no.
Over there. And man was then cry. Tabia takum, wedi a member ye don't know, a me nya hoden, any hoden ye, a memedro, a new thing a band may be a here below, a memedro, my band may be a wedding field in what checo. We are ready to do it to Tombia, and chemical shops, pharmaceuticals, and herbal shops beer. I gonna hand beer. And that's a fraying. I was 0243 686861 and 0245 749206.
FD Ajisa Echodi Katuya too.
I said, Tabia Takum, yeah, Remember,